Welcome to Bread Six Ways. This is the Glizzening bread from the latest episode of Row for Sourdough. Go make sure to watch that. And this episode is not going to be my favorite. As I've gotten older, condiments have been less and less important to me. I don't like condiments, I think, that much. I find condiments to be hot take for people or restaurants that can't season their food properly and they need it. Raising Cane's is nothing without the dipping sauce. That's my opinion. Hot take, hate it, like it, I don't care. Okay. So we got ketchup, mustard, mayo, peanut butter, butter, and cheese on hot dog infused crazy glizzening bread. And as always, we start with the butter. I've said in past episodes that butter is a standard and it goes with everything. I don't think it goes on that bread. I'm not saving it for last. I'm going to take this out right away. This is the mayo. I don't know if you could tell because I speeded up, but I struggled with that one. That was not good. I hate mayo unless it's with tuna fish. That wasn't good. How do people put mayo on hot dogs? And I don't get it. Try something good that should be good. It's literally the hot dog bread and cheese. It can't be bad. It has to be amazing. Please save me. Save me. Okay. Yeah. Cheese, hot dogs, bread. Works, obviously. It wasn't going to be bad. Should probably save that one for last. But oh well. I like mustard, so I'll say mustard. I hate ketchup. I think it's a hoard condiment, and I don't put it on anything. Like, there's very rare times I put it on anything. If I'm really craving ketchup, it's with fries. But that's very seldom. This is the first ketchup in a long time. So, probably not going to like this. But, here we go. I will give ketchup this. It is very nostalgic. Like, you bite into it and you're like, yeah, that reminds me of a cookout when I was a kid. But as an adult, ketchup is such a strong, overpowering flavor for no reason. It makes sense that kids like it. It's sweet. It's tangy. It's tomatoey. Like, it should be good. It's too much for me. Too much for me. Save mustard for last. Peanut butter. Wish me luck. It just leads into my thing of condiments just dominate flavors of everything. It was only peanut butter. I showed you there was hot dog in it. I only got peanut butter. But we got the last one. And then this nightmare is over. This is definitely a crit fail. This was a crit fail, for sure. Mustard. It could be because I'm so overwhelmed with flavors from everything I've had so far, or that I'm full. I did not enjoy that. I did not enjoy this episode. This was my least favorite one so far of the, I think I've done 5 or 6 that. Least favorite. This whole experiment, my brother got me. Go watch the episode so you know what I'm talking about. Until next time, new episode tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoy.